Oh, we are
Pioneer Days, South Peace Centennial Museum.
We're going to see the
Tractor parade and old cars. Earl's here to talk us through it all. Hello there.
So they gave you a tractor.
Yeah,
You've got your own seat.
that's right. Yep.
And it's a good kind of tractor, right?
Yeah.
It's a McCormick.
She's hit the starter.
See what happens, yeah. We'll be right here anyway. I'm just wondering what,
And just like that, it runs.
It runs.
Excellent. Well, we'll see you in the parade.
Well, this is a good place to sit to look at the crowd.
Perfect. We'll come find you in a bit.
Yeah.
You'll notice the steering on this when it gets closer. Two big chains. He lapped them.
Yeah, they lost them. Why do you think of a flat road?
That was really impressive, man. Yeah, I like it. No one worries about mags or what kind of tires you're going to buy. It's pretty simple to paint, sandblast, or not. No body work. Yeah, my kind of vehicle.
So how was that?
Oh, pretty good.
Pretty good?
I had to take it around for a drive around to see that stuff at the back.
Well, as we saw, you kept going. Yeah, he's doing another lap. That was awesome. Was it fun?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
And it was easier than walking. My dad and Uncle Emmett had a rumbly that they took apart and they sat beside the barn for about 10 years before they got parts for it.
Oh, really?
And got it put together. When they got it running, they broke 10 acres of land with it. And then sold it.
Oh, yeah.
Was it like this one?
Very similar, and as far as I can remember, it could be the same, but that was, 75, 80 years ago. And I certainly remember when they first fired it up, and it was kicking out a big black smoke into the air.
Well, that was a freaking riot. But, oh, okay, I'm going to get the car.
Okay, we'll meet you in a few.
Sure. So, was the house clean enough when you got back, Lou?
I only had to pull out the 410, not the 20 gauge. We're good.
A little bit of rumbling.
We're going to throw a blanket over the roof of the wagon.
Change it.
We're supposed to get...
Up to tennis ball size hail they're warning us about.
So we put the truck away, the RAV away, the Firebird away, but poor Rock Sled.
Well, she doesn't start, so it serves her right. I can't even, it's an empty shop right here, and I can't drive it in because it won't
I'm
start.
sure we could push it in. But at least the hood's not out here.
Yes, that's right. We have that beautiful. That was a good one. So what do we do? Count the seconds? Sound travels at what, 1,100 feet per second? 900, depends on the temperature. 1,000 feet per second, so 5 seconds means it's a mile away.
Yes, I did. It's not amazing. Okay. It is crappy out here. Yeah, you see that? I gotta show more sky. Less of the ground. So, it's getting dark. I don't know, what is it, 10 o'clock? We're reasonably north. What you wonder about, you see the big curves. I was in one tornado in Edmonton. I was driving a big truck, which was a good thing. It was a devastating, horrific thing. Don't want to go through that again. These, well, there's been a few funnel clouds, but they haven't really touched down. But you have to be prepared. So you find the safest spot in your house, corner of a basement. You know, a lot of people say bathtubs. Tiny little room, walls are only 5 feet apart. Maybe that makes a lot of sense. Suppose I should have looked this all up before, before the lightning started hitting, right? So, I think I'll wander back inside. Better call my dad and tell him we stored all the cars in his shop. See what Dad has to say about this. He's a man of great experience. I'm sure he'll have some wise things to say.
Hello.
Well, it's kind of nasty out here, Dad.
It sure looks like it. That storm is coming. Did you get home?
Oh yeah, we're home. I just put Lou's truck in your small shop, and the RAV and the Firebird in the big shop. And we are watching one heck of a light show coming this way.
I imagine so, yes. I've been listening to it, and I'm trying to figure out which way it's moving. Yes, I see some more lightning right now.
Yeah, coming from your old house this way.